Good morning, students. Shall we discuss today continue class of day before yesterday class? So, shall we start now class fifth bit? Already, I hope you did your homework. I give day before yesterday work. Now I will start the class fifth bit. Write the number names of the following numbers. So this is very simple problems. You already learn about these problems in third class. Now see, I will explain fifth bit first question. So carefully understand. All members to get the blackboard, open your books and take pencils also. So first one question, 35,791 given here. So what do these question? Write the number name of the following numbers. Here given number. Now you write this number name. You know what is the number name already. If you don't know means again I will explain one time. Now carefully understand here. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundredth place. This is thousand place. This is 10,000 place. Now you know very easy. What is the number name? 35,791. Now see I am writing here 35,000. 35,700 and 91. Here given number. Now you can write number name. What is the number name? 35,791. Okay. Now as it is, now you going to write second one problem. This is also very simple. 57,862. These also you can write as it is. Here given number. Now you write number name. Very simple. Now here have comma. This comma before 1000 place. This comma after 100 place. Now see here. What is the number name? I know you know this number. So again one time right here. 57,862. So as it is 57,862 and 62. Now these both questions now you write in your book with pencil. Very easy. I hope you understand how to write these number names. So again one time I will explain these both numbers. 35,791. Okay, next one 57,862. So next here given total 10 problems. I will explain again one problem. That is sixth one problem I will explain. Remaining have 7 problems. That problems are homework problems. That are problems you only do and solve the problems. Send the photos in our WhatsApp group. Okay, don't forget this. So I am going to explain now sixth one problem. So these are very easy problems. That's why I am given to you homework. So sixth one problem, see here 70,407. So here also given this like as it is question. Here comma before have 1000 place, comma after have 100th, 10th and 1's place. Now same right 70,407. Here only 400 we have not have any tens place. That's why 400 and 7. Understood? 70,407. So this is 3 problem I was explained. Now remaining 7 problems you can do and send pics on our WhatsApp group. Okay. Now we will discuss about 6th bit. As it is same bit, this like only. Now just before we discuss about here number name given, we can write number name. Now here number name given, you write number. Okay, I will explain again one time. I repeat the question. Write down the following number names using symbols. So here given number names, I can read this number name and here writing only number. You understood that my words? Okay. First one question, 47,896. So again one time I will repeat, 47,896. So your first one answer is, you can write only number. You already given number name. So what is the number name? 47,000. So you know 47. What is this? 1000. So that's why comma. 47,896. You know 800 place 90. Tens place 6. Ones place. So this is the here given number name. I will write here number. It means numeral. 47,896. Again I will go with next question. 62,000. Once more listen carefully this question. 62,479. 62,000 given. 62,000. You know 1000. Then after what have you 100? So what? 62,499. 499. Okay. Very easy problems. So next third one very simple. You do. Fourth one also very simple. Now I will go with the sixth problem. Okay. Remaining that both problems you only solve. Very easy. Okay. I am going with the sixth problem. 16,055. 16,055. So how to write that? 16,000. Here 55 given, not given the 100. That's why the 100 place is 0. Then again what given there? 55. Now you write 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 16,055. Okay, very easy problem. So next one, again one same question. Seventh one question. Carefully listen here. 30,003. 30,003. You know 30,000 means 30,000. Only 3 given there. 100 place not given. 1000 place also not given. Only 30,000 and 3 given. That's why here 1000 place 0. 100 place 0. You write only 3. What is this? 30,000 and 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Okay, very easy problem. So remaining problems are Mongol problem. These also 6th bit also same as it is. Number name given, number right. 5th bit number given, number name right. Very easy. Already you learned in 3rd class. Now you write in this 4th class these very easy problems. Okay. Now I am going to explain 7th bit. Write in the expanded form. These also you learn in 3rd class. Again one time we will discuss about what is the expanded form. Very easy this. See here, all members look at the blackboard. Carefully understand what I am saying here. So write in the expanded form. It is very easy. 79,584. 79,584 given. Now you write here expanded form. Expanded means what? That number you expanded. Which number, which place is there? Find out and write down here. Okay. So first of all you go with 7. So see here first of all 1's place, 10's place, 100th place, 1000th place, 10,000 place. So now have 7. 7 which place have 10,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. Now you write here 70,000 plus. Which place have 7? 10,000 place. So 10,000 into 7, 70,000. Now you go with 9. 9 which place have 1's, 10's, 100, 1000's place. 9 into 1000, 9,000. 9,000 place have 9 here. So 5 which place? 100th place. So 5 into 100, 500 plus. Next 8. 8 which place? 10th place. 8 into 10, 80 plus. 4 which place? 1's place. So 4 into 1, 4. So this is the expanded form. Very easy form. Now we are giving 79,584. You know 1's place. 1's place. tens place 10 into 8 80, and hundredth place 5 into 100 500, and thousandth place 9 into 1000 9000, and 10,000 place 7 into 10,000 70,000. Okay, very easy problem. Next I will explain third one problem, second one are homework. Third one problem 65,402. Okay, now see here given 0 given, how to write sir? Here given 0, we have doubt, so I will explain the doubt. Now 6 which place, you know which place 6, very good, 6 has 10,000 place, so 6 into 10,000 60,000, plus 5 which place 5,000 place, so 5 into 1000 5,000, plus 4 which place 100th place, so 4 into 100 400, plus sorry here 0 have, what can I do for this 0? Don't do anyone there, 0 have no, here write 0. Why? Because 0 into 10's place, 0 into 10 0 only. You can multiplication with 0 any number, you get answer is 0. So where you can see 0, there you write 0 only, nothing. Given is what? Nothing. Now remaining 2, which place? 1's place, 2 1's are 2. Okay, anybody doubt here? Very good, this is the answer. So we will complete 2 problems, and remaining all questions are homework problems. These are problems you do and send pics in our WhatsApp group. I'll explain again one question, last question in this bit. This is also very silly question. See here all members, that is the 8th one question. 40,006. 40,006 given, sir, how to write this problem? Very easy problem. Here 4 is 10,000 place, that's why 40,000, plus here 0 is which place? 1000 place, 0 into 1000 0, plus 0 which place? 100th place, 0 into 100 0, plus 0 is 10's place, 0 into 10 0, plus 6 which place? 1's place, 6 1's are 6. Understand? This is the expanded form of numbers. Remaining all problems are homework problems. Okay, all members completed. Now I will go to 8th bit. Here also I will explain only 2 or 3 problems. Remaining you only solve. Very simple. Now here given one number, you do expand. Now in this bit here given expanded form, you can write a number, complete number right here. So you complete number means that is the standard form. Here given expanded form, now you can convert that in standard form. Very simple. These also I'll explain that. So first question, 4,000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 4. Here given expanded form. Now you write the standard form. How to write standard form? 4 which place? 1000 place. Here only 1's have, 10's have, 100's, 1000's. That's why 4,000 place. So 4,000 place. Next 400th place. Here 400th place. Next 4 10's place. Here write 10's place. Next remaining only 1. That is 1's place. That's why 1's place. We have only 4 digits. 1's, 10's, 100, 1000. Here also 1000. What is the number name? 4,444. Okay. Very simple problems. So next one question. Again I will explain that one question. Third question. This is third question. See here. 10,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 8. Now see here. Here given 10,000 given. Here not given 1000. Here given 100. 10's, 1's. How to write this? 10,000. Which 1000 have here? 10,000. So first of all write 10,000. Here 1000 place not given. So leave that. 10,000 not given. This means 1 here have 10,000. 10,000 means right here 10. Here 1000 place not given. Leave that. Next one given 200th place. So 200. What is that? 40 means 10th place. 4. Here what have? 8. 1's place. Now how to read this problem? 1's, 10's, 100. 1000 place what have? 0. Not given. That's why 0. Next here which place? This one 10,000 place. That's why 10248. What is the number name? 10,248. So remaining in this bit all problems are homework problems. So all members do these problems and drop your pics in our WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Okay.